Hey everybody, welcome to this video. Today we're going to be showing you our Thomas.
Show it to them.
This is our Thomas.
We know that now. We know that Jacob.
That's Jorhey. My name is Fred. All right, big nose. Oh my goodness. No, literally, guys, look at Jorhey. He has a huge nose. I'm not Jorhey. I am Fred.
And let me go.
That just broke.
That was an accident.
So if you say, wait, where are you getting these pieces? I can't find them anywhere. It's because we're making them. Not these pieces, because you can literally find them in any Thomas
Store. Yeah.
No, we just use this Jenga blocks.
Now we know that
We have a multi-million one. They're really helpful. We have like a multi-million bajillion Jenga blocks.
I could hold more than I can. Oh!
Sorry, guys.
Yeah. Oh.
This is my cute sister, Sophia.
I have a million of horses.
Now we know how your mouth looks like.
Well,
It looks pretty
truly.
distinctive, if you know what I mean. So Jorhey, how's your date?
My
Mine
name
is Fred.
No.
Fred. F-R-E-D. B-I-G space N-O-S-E. No! It's Fred.
I'm going.
All right, fine, Jorhey.
I'm going. Now I'm going. I don't want to say the word, but it's a password.
Bologna sandwich.
No. Fine. Jorhey.
The password is Jorhey.
Yes. I hate that password.
Yeah.
Oh,
right.
my butt.
Bye, big nose.
My name is Jorhey.
Aw, Sophia, you just destroyed this.
Oh,
Let's put that back together.
I'm gonna mess it up more.
Don't.
Why?
Just
Why am
don't. This took a lot of work.
Why am I driving?
Sorry, guys. Transmission.
Why am I driving with my butt?
What? Literally, bro, you can't be doing that.
Quick. Fine. Let me show how it works. Ow. This is what you get. Ow. Oh. It's not funny. Daniel, look.
Oh my goodness, we're still recording, guys. And it's still taking a very long time just to...
I hold the camera.
Don't, please. Everybody will be scared of your big nose. I think I am already scared of it.
Now, don't ask for my help. I think you already know what to do.
Na, 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 na. Does anyone know what that is? Because I might get copyrighted if I say what it is. I need you here with me. I'm just giving you hints to what it is.
Yeah, but I'm holding the camera now. Want to see Daniel's face?
No, please don't. I'm not a fan of being on camera, even though I own a YouTube channel.
That already happened.
Okay.
You know that already happened.
I need you.
Okay, I'm gonna
with
stop
me.
because I think you're gonna get.
Okay, guys, let's just say it's gonna be this for now. Kind of made it worse.
I could do it.
Then do it. But also it goes here and then there. Ain't that right, Jorhey? My name is Fred.
Okay, this is what you get. Let go of me.
Now, guys, we should be ending the video very soon.
Because it's the night.
Yeah, we're recording this at night. So subscribe, hit the bell for notification. If you like this video, press the like button. It's all totally free. Now